Every time I use this sponge, I love this sponge, but it gets so damn dirty. And they're so hard to wash. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So if you didn't catch it, the last two times that were just mentioned, my name is Chanel. So if you happen to purchase one of these Juno Co sponges here, like this, you know, these blue fuzzy sponges, and you can't get them clean, I'm going to show you how I clean my sponges. I've been using these for a while now, so follow me. Well, take it back. I just finished filming this look, so I gotta go turn off my ring light, and then we gotta go in the kitchen. Alright, we're in the kitchen. Sorry, the lighting is not too good in here, but I have my sponges right here, and you're going to need some dish soap. I use Dawn, and you're gonna need a bowl of hot water. So if you did this before, you know exactly what I'm about to do. Alright, so you can see my bowl of hot water. I use this container so you guys can see through it. And I have my fuzzy sponges and my non-fuzzy sponges. And I'm just going to go put all of them in the water. See, this one here is kind of hard because I use it for milk of magnesia on my face. So I'm just going to push these into the water along with the other ones. This is kind of hard in one hand. And I just take this and I just pour it all up in there. Don't ask me how much because I don't know. And I just take it and I just squeeze it just like that. The water is going to change colors. Why? Because your sponges are dirty. So, see what I'm talking about? The water's changing colors. And as you're squeezing it, the hot water is being soaked into the sponges. Now, this method doesn't get them like every stain off. If the stain's been sitting on your sponge for a few days or a couple weeks or probably even a few months, which is really, really bad, those stains will not come out. But this is how I get them clean. Now the next process is going to be like kind of boring, but I let my sponges sit here after I'm done squeezing them and making sure I can get the majority of all of them clean. As you can see, spillage. The orange ones are starting to get clean. The key here is that you're gonna let them sit for about 20 minutes. Then you're gonna put them in some clean water and do the whole soap process again. And then you're gonna put them in the microwave. Yes, the microwave. And you're gonna microwave them for about 15 to 30 seconds at a time. You're going to check them. You're going to do the same process I'm currently doing now. You're going to go in there and you're going to squeeze them. Be careful because your water will be hot. And then you're going to keep doing that for, I usually do it for about a total of 2 minutes. And then I let them sit until the water cools down before I can go back and squeeze some more out. But yeah, so this is just the process. And as these are sitting for 20 minutes, I'm gonna go wash off my face and take a shower. So I will be back. Alright, so I decided to show you guys round 2. Let me move my towel out the way. So as you can see, I have changed the water. The water is not as dark. There is soap suds. Basically, the sponges look super clean already, okay? They look really, really clean. Like this is a stain because it was sitting. I couldn't get out. But other than that, the sponge, why is this focusing? Looks super clean. Even this one here is starting to get clean. That's a stain. But you can see how it's getting clean. So they're all in there. It says the water's hot. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. The deal is with the microwave, I put hot water in here so it doesn't take as long for it to heat up in the microwave. There you go. As you can see, it is placed in my microwave. Don't mind the microwave. It has to be clean, but it's not that dirty. But alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start it for 30 seconds. Alright, it has been 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to go and squeeze as much as I can. The water is hot, even hotter than what it was. So don't burn yourself. When you do this part, you can use a fork, a spoon, a spatula. Yeah. Then it takes patience with these fuzzy sponges. It is, see, as you can see, I got some more foundation. It's not going to be super fast getting all of this out. You gotta take your time. This is, I found, the easiest way. Once the water gets even hotter, you won't be able to do this with your hand, with bare-handed. It'll just be too freaking hot. But as you can see, there's more foundation coming out because it's able to, the hot water is loosening it up. So I'm going to do this microwave thing a couple more times. And then when I come back, I will show you my clean, fuzzy sponges. See, I don't know if you can tell, but with me just doing that, and I'm just squeezing, the stain's coming out. When I get back, I'll show you guys the end process of all my clean sponges. Alright. Alright, so here is the end result of the method I used to clean my sponges. As you can see, the ones with stains, like this one probably needs to be thrown out because it's already getting holy. This one is super clean. So is this one. So is that one. Well, that one has a little stain on it that's been there. I've washed that so many times. This one's clean. This one really needs to be thrown out. Look, it's just ragged. Look at this. That was one of my first ones. But back to these fuzzy sponges here. So as you can see, like, it looks super duper clean. Like, that's a stain because the first time I used it, I let this sponge sit for like 2 weeks before I washed it. So that's what that's from. But yeah, this one here that I just used tonight, it is super duper. I know they crack. These sponges do crack very easily, but these sponges are worth it. They truly are. So there's that. And then this is one of the very first ones I ever had. So as you see, the butt end of the sponge is clean. This part here is clean. It's pretty much, this is the cleanest I can ever get these fuzzy sponges with this method. Regardless, they do crack, they do, you know, wear and tear, just like these. The same thing, it's just a different texture. But these sponges are well worth it, especially if you have a very expensive foundation and you don't want to go through it, but you want to wear it all the time. You would want to use this sponge because this sponge provides you full coverage and you don't need as much foundation as you would if you were to use one of these sponges. With these sponges soak up the product. These don't. So regardless of how other people feel about these sponges, I have been using, this is my very first sponge, the very first one they came out with. I have been using this one for well over 6 months, and these are my new babies that I've been using for about a month and a half, close to 2 months. So overall, I love this product. I'm happy that I was able to try it, and even their brushes are good too. So if you're just wondering on how to clean these things before you purchase it, this is just how I clean them. Other people clean it their own way, but this is how I clean them to get to get practically all the product off. The best way to get your sponges super clean like this is right after you use them to wash them with this method. Do I do that? No. I wash my sponges like once every week or every other week. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you have not subscribed yet. Remember, it's a big red button. It looks like a can of Coca-Cola, the original one, and become part of the Coca-Cola. Woo, I've been talking all night. And become part of the Coca-Cola squad. If not, I really hope this video did help you on how to clean your fuzzy sponges. I really do love these fuzzy sponges. And if you happen just to come across this video, these fuzzy sponges are from the brand Juno Co. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, I think Facebook, but Instagram and YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.